Today, I'll show you how to create a photo reel opening effect in CapCut PC. This effect gives your video a classic photo reel animation, making it look stylish and professional. Let's jump in. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and search for horizontal reel. Once you find it, simply drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Now, let's fine tune the effect using the sliders. Blur, adjust the background blur to make the photos stand out. Speed controls how fast the photos move across the screen. Color changes the shadow around the photos. Size adjusts the roundness of the photos for a different look. Strength modifies the boldness of the border around the photos. Play around with these settings to customize the effect to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully created a photo reel opening effect in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips.